everyone. I hope you are doing well. Thank you for stopping by. It is always great to see you. So in today's video, I turned myself into a dark Mad Hatter. The concept behind this makeup was to give you a counterpart to the Bloody Queen of Hearts look I did a few months back. I do know this is a popular favorite costume that couples like to wear, and so that is one reason for this look. The other one is that the stylized version that Johnny Depp has that's very colorful and very iconic. I do love that look, but I wanted to stay away from it because YouTube is flooded with so many tutorials about that specific look, and I wanted to do it a little bit darker, make it a little bit creepier. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's get into it. Using a nail stepping kit for the design of my nails, having colored and curled my hair, I'm building cotton and liquid latex up between the bridge of the nose and onto the eyebrows. I seen Pink stylists do this video, and I thought that it was a good way to have the brow furrowed with a little bit more dimension instead of just painting it on. So I decided to use this technique, so thank you, Pink stylist. I built up 4 layers between cotton and liquid latex, and I begin to flare out the cotton above the eyebrow. After you block your eyebrows out, of course, make sure you protect them from liquid latex. Using a cream paint that I picked up from Spirit Halloween, I go in with a thin layer and get into the areas with a brush over the eyes and around the nose. I let this layer dry and go in with another layer to make it opaque and to cover up the brush stroke, and I also switch back and forth from the brush to a sponge. Make sure to get the neck and the ears in this look, anything that's going to be exposed in your costume. Now I'm going very heavy with this layering for the white to make it extremely opaque, but one thing you will notice about water-based or cream paints is that they will tend to dry throughout the night, and what I wanted this look to be was almost like a cracked porcelain look, so I applied 3 layers of cream paint onto my face, and then I moved my face for it to crack in order to paint in those areas and make it look like cracked porcelain. My idea for this look was that couples had a costume to use at Halloween, so I'm keeping my colors to black and purple. It gives a little bit of that Halloween flair. I paint black up underneath the edge of that liquid latex and cotton buildup, and I'm going in with a gray to a purplish tone, and the further I get out away from the eye is when the purple gets more vibrant. I will list the eyeshadows that I used below. I used 3 Colourpop eyeshadows to break out that purple. Using liquid eyeliner, I go over the top portion of the ridge from the prosthetic buildup. This is a good guideline if you're not good at painting, so this is another reason why I do like this technique. It makes the eyebrow look furrowed, and I get some crow's feet painted in on the side, and I go in and I contour my cheekbones up underneath, buffing out the line with a purple eyeshadow, and I am using water-based paint for the eyelashes. So literally cracking a big smile, so that cream paint, now that it's dried, will crack around the mouth and the nose and the eye area, and I go in with a brush and some black eyeshadow to bring out the detail. If you would like the cracks to be more detailed and more opaque, you can use a liquid eyeliner or some cream paint to make it more dramatic. For the mouth, I did not want to paint a big grin. I didn't want this to look like the Joker or anything similar, so I go in some eyeshadow and I just exaggerate the bottom lip and the Cupid's bow, outlining it in some black eyeshadow. painting my hands and fingers and powdering those to lock that color in. This outfit I pieced together. The bow tie that you see me wearing is actually a set of stockings which I picked up at Walmart a few years back. They always have these every year. And the hat I got at Spirit Halloween, and I put some sprigs and a spider onto it to make it a little bit more Halloween-like, keeping the tone to the purple and the black theme. I used 1 can of spray, although I recommend 2 to get your hair colored all over. And it is tea time. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look. It was a fun one to do. I love the fact that there is a counterpart now to the Bloody Queen of Hearts. Don't forget to go to the YouTube community post and vote on my next look between Silent Hill Nurse and a Bloody Nurse. You guys get to decide which makeup I do next. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.